Wow, there is something to be said about a pink sky. Anyway, enough about that. I've got a craving for some fucking Dairy Queen. I know what you're saying. NinjaBoots, you probably don't need any blasted sugar. This is where you're wrong. I deserve good fucking sweet things. I'm sitting there getting ready to edit another video for my YouTube channel. I was like, ooh, I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry. Ooh, you know what that means? I need a dessert. So I was like, oh my god, a Dairy Queen is around the corner. So we're gonna go there and we're gonna get a Blizzard. I get either the Reese Cup Blizzard or I get the Oreo Blizzard. I know, my tastes are simple, what can I say? But they're so good, So I don't know if I'm gonna go to the drive-thru or go inside. Either way, it's fucking cold now, because it's always cold right here, because no sun ever shines in this area. And I got like a stitch in my side from my freaking long-ass ride I had today. But it doesn't matter, the pain gets subsided in the juicy goodness of the Blizzard. I don't know if you guys have Dairy Queens or whatever, or even know what the hell I'm talking about. But I'm going to show it to you. It's going to be juicy goodness. Also, I don't have a backpack, so I don't know how I'm going to get this thing back. I'll put it in my missing cup holder that I do not own. Oh, Blizzard. Blizzard. Oh, no. It's so busy. No! What am I going to do? I just want a fucking Blizzard. That's all I want. That might not happen today. This son of a... Oh. What the hell are you doing? Hit it. Oh, that would have been so good. I don't know if I'm going to wait there or not. Oh, these fuckheads. Oh, it's such a sad day. Ugh. So look at that fucking Dairy Queen. I don't know if you've seen it, but it was busy. God damn it. Where do we go then? Do we get the gimpy fucking Mcflurries? I think I'm going to have to. God damn it, I want to get something. But the good thing is they have an Oreo and a Reese Cup. So we got to stop at the stop signs. Almost just fucking truly ran. God damn it, nothing is going my way tonight. Yeah, whatever, man. Damn it, I really wanted a Blizzard. Now I'm going to get a goddamn McFlurry, and it's not going to be the same. And it's cold. I'm going to get... It's fucking cold. I have nothing but this outer jacket on. I don't have anything else on. And the only way I'm going to hold it is to zip it up onto my chest. So, oh my god, I'm going to be freezing taking this thing back. But it's so worth it. But god damn it, I really wanted a Blizzard. And be honest, they don't really taste much different. I definitely think there is a price difference, though. Look at all that room. I can put one right there. Oh my god, I'm fucking losing it today. I've been on this bike more hours than I've been awake. Oh, that's great. That son of a bitch. Let's try this one. Well, they didn't hear me, but they obviously heard that person there, so they do the figure 8 drive-through. Yeah, can I have a medium Oreo McFlurry? That's it. Thank you. You're welcome. Oh, this is great. Got a bike, you got a limo. All kinds of crazy shit in this drive-thru right now. Prepare for the package. Stupid. If we don't suggest an apple pie, it's free. Well, fuck. You suggested me one. So. Oh. Yeah. was riding with Tom, got a fucking Happy Meal on one of these things not too long ago. And I shall get a McFlurry. Oh my god, look at all that crap on the ground. Thank you. Oh, I will. Got the package, let's freaking get out of here. Ooh, it's a cold McFlurry. I have it tucked in my shirt. Sorry, Tom, you're trying to put it up there. Of course, if I did get a Happy Meal, I would have been the same boat. Oh my god, it's falling. Okay, this is not working. This is absolutely not working. Oh my god. I gotta like push my chest out in order to keep pressure applied. Don't fucking melt. Oh my god. Don't laugh, don't laugh, don't laugh. What's going on? Oh, we can go apparently. He's got a headlight out and they got the other headlight out. That's sweet. Okay, so we got the package. Juice up with some sugar. Oh my god, it's sliding down my fucking chest. I wonder if I can take a bite at the light. Do we have time to do that? Probably not. So anyway, here we go, people. We got a McFlurry. Oh my god. It's one gigantic blob of shit. I guess it wasn't gonna spill. So, as we take a big fucking bite. As always, this is NinjaBoots, and we're gonna sign off with the Oreo McFlurry, and we'll see you later. Ah. Oh my god. Ah, I got fucking McFlurry on my helmet.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the flip side.